Hi guys. Okay, I want to walk you through some text features of this article so that you will be sure to get the important things you need out of this. You're going to be doing a lot of research this week, and I want to make sure that you don't miss the important things, okay? First of all, I want you to notice this website has a lot of ads. Okay, as soon as you come here, you see all of this. This is an ad, of course. Subscribe now. You're not going to subscribe now. Has all of this up here. First of all, notice this is a reliable source. This is USA Today. So even though it's got all these ads, it is a reliable source. Here you have your menu bar. This says news, sports, entertainment, life, money, tech, etc. That's their different sections where you would go to. Because remember, USA Today was a newspaper first, before it was a website. And then they've got the headlines, coronavirus, what's canceled, best of 2020, help save a local business, newsletter, and subscribe now. Of course, they want you to subscribe and pay money because that's where they get their money from. And then, of course, they get their money from these big ads right in the top. And they want you to click on those and go to those, but don't. Notice it does say in tiny letters here, advertisement. Okay? But we're going to ignore all of that and scroll past. And here, sort of hidden through all of this busyness, is the title of our article. It says, Songs for Social Distancing, Don't Stand So Close to Me. You can tell that's a title. It's got a single quote line. Keep Your Hands to Yourself, another song title, and more. It was written by Dave Osborne, originally in the Naples Daily News, published at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Time on April 2nd, 2020. So it's a recent article from a local paper that was pulled into the USA Today. Okay, all good information to notice. Now this over here looks like it's part of the article, but it's not. See how it says sponsored? Okay, sponsored means it is part of an ad. So again, this has an X. You can close that out if you want, but another ad is going to pop up and it might slow your computer down. See? It just did that. And it tricked me and took me into that article. See how it does that? I hate that. I hate those kind of ads. Makes me nuts. It's okay. We can get back. We just go back with our back arrow. Okay? So here is our article. You can see they've got a ad that is playing here. We're going to pause that just to, it slows down our computer. Okay. I'm going to find the beginning of our article. And it looks like it starts right here. Okay. Now first I want you to scan and find all of the article, because with all of this business going on here, it's pretty busy. Okay, so we're going to do our scanning. Looks like this is the beginning. Notice when my cursor changes to a hand, like there, see it's cursor, 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 hand. That means that is an active link. If you click that, it's going to take you somewhere else. So it looks like the active links on this page are underlined. See, that's an active link, okay? Active link, okay? So we want to be aware of that. So this is in bold. So this is important. This is in bold, okay? So that they're drawing our attention to those things. We've got a nice big picture of Mick Jagger there, and a sub-headline there, Gimme Shelter, Rolling Stones, because again, remember, our title is all about songs for social distancing, and one of Mick Jagger's songs is Gimme Shelter. Okay, you'll see that this is kind of funny. It's a funny little article. It's all about songs that are relating back to the virus. Okay? Don't Stand So Close to Me by the Police, and that's, of course, the singer of the Police. So each subheadline is relating to the picture above it. So that's an interesting thing to notice about the way they have set this article up. Okay? That's a text feature that they have set up. So each bold subheadline relates to the picture above it. And scroll down, we've got Let's Stay Together by Al Green, and that's Al Green. And then this is the little bit of information about that. So it looks like that is pretty consistent all the way through. We can keep scrolling down, and there's the band, there's the name of the song, band, song, a little bit about it. Okay, so that seems to be what they're doing all the way through. I'm going to scroll down, and then it looks like it ends there, I think. Yeah, yep, it looks like it ends there. Yep, the Frank Sinatra song, That's Life, is the last one about it. Although it tries to make you think this is about it too, because it's the same size. This is the same size, but this will lead you to another story, okay? Because they don't want you to stop reading. They want you to keep going so that they get you, rope you in. Of course, all of these are clickbait. They want you to click on all of this. They give you an interesting picture and a crazy headline because they want you to click on it so you'll see more ads. That's all clickbait there. All of this is clickbait. Just ignore it because it's not what you're there for, okay? So that's the general way you're going to look at this and read this. So again, you're going to go through and you're going to read the headlines first. Gimme Shelter, Rolling Stones. Don't Stand So Close to Me, The Police. Let's Stake It Together by Al Green. So Far Away by Carole King and the Dire Straits. Stand Back by Stevie Nicks. Keep Your Hands to Yourself, Georgia Satellites. See how funny these are? And That's Life by Frank Sinatra. Okay? I hope you enjoy reading this article and that you come up with some great songs for your own ride on your virtual tour and enjoy reading it. Learn a lot of great stuff about some really amazing singers. Okay, if you have any questions, be sure to email me or reach me on Teams or on Padlet. I'm available. I miss you guys. Bye.